Sa pumili ng Tarot card, ito na reading. Tingnan natin kung ano hinaharap ng inyong negosyo. To be honest with you, habang nagsashuffle ako, masakit sa aking left hand. Ibig sabihin nun, may mga tao na may negative emotions towards you. At I feel here na meron kang hindi sinasadya na mabuking is what I sense. Interesting. Okay? Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Baka may nakabangga ka sa iyong negosyo, kaya may negative emotions against you, or pwede rin competition. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Okay, they asked me to cleanse, so just go ahead and cleanse. So, kung hindi man nangyari guys na nakabangga kayo present moment or nung past, baka kasi sa future, meron kayong makaalitan with regards sa inyong trabaho or negosyo. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. I feel guys, sa ginagawa nyo lang yung iyong trabaho or negosyo, pwede rin. And you're just minding your business, you know. Itong taon na to, may tinik siyang opportunity. I feel like an attack. Okay? Okay, sabi ng mga anghel, it's a future read. So, ibig sabihin guys, maybe hindi pa siya nangyayari sa iyong negosyo as of now, and this is kinda like a sign for you to be ready about it. Kasi ito yung nangyari, okay? So, baka kasi may copycat, or pwede may tao na may hindi magandang ginawa, and then maybe you could be someone who told about it. Okay, kasi may idea ka about this person, or pwede rin kasi I feel na may nangungopya talaga na energy dito. Okay? So, I'm sensing here, gagawan kayo ng popularity. Kasi kung sino man yung tao nakabangga mo, panaginip din niya or pangarap na maging kagaya mo. So, I think this is somebody na used to see your work, tapos kinopya lang niya or ginaya niya yung business idea na meron ka, to be honest with you. And I'm sensing yung negosyo mo sa future para magiging memory na lang siya. Kasi I'm sensing na I'm not sure if you show somebody kung ano yung negosyo mo, kung paano mo ginagawa, but yet I'm sensing na dapat hindi mo ipakita next time yung sa negosyo, kasi kukopyahin ng mga tao yun. So, ito yung dapat mong matutunan. Ngayon, yung hinaharap na yung negosyo, to be honest with you, hindi maganda. Kasi meron mangungopya ng iyong gawa. Okay? At yun nga, at saka baka mag-ending kung ano man ang negosyo mo dahil dito kasi gusto mo ng peace at nakakaroon ka na anxiety problem. Sa tuwing nakikita mo na itong mga nangungopya na to, nagkakaroon ng mga customers, clients, or views, can be if it's a channel or following. Ngayon, I'm sensing na since mag-ending yung iyong dating negosyo, I would say na you will continuously fight or you will push forward in life. You know, I feel na mag-move on ka lang ng ilang months, let's say, or years even weeks only. And then after that, you will have a new beginning, as you can see here. You will continuously, I feel, push forward with your life, with your career, which is nice. And I'm sensing like the past is now behind you. Basta iwasan nyo lang yung dati nyong pagkakamali. Kasi baka nangyari dito kasi napapansin ko yung ibang mga may negosyo, you know, meron silang mga channel, pinapakita nila nung ginagawa nila and so on. I think na it's your calling not to do it anymore. Okay, kasi nakakaroon na idea yung mga tao sa ginagawa mo. So, make sure you are actually being silent about those things kasi baka may mangopya uli, okay? So, I feel here na yung una mong negosyo, parang lang siyang, trial and error process. And I feel like it's making you mature and knowing what to do next with this strategy being here. So, they want you na kahit na matapos yung dati mong negosyo or current negosyo mo ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng new beginning. Pero yung new beginning na yun, something na seryosohin mo na at hindi mo na actually ulitin pa yung mistake mo. At dahil doon, sabi nila sa akin, nalalago, lalo na kung hindi mo na ginawa yung same mistake. And I feel here as well na yung payo nila sa inyo, kung may hater ka, kung may copycat whatsoever, wag mong pansinin. Kasi I feel here yung attitude mo, may tendency ka mag-give up once that there's negativity around you. They want you to know now, once that you build that stable ground, you really have to actually focus on it. Huwag ka na magdalawang isip. Kasi on where you stand is something that you should be proud of. Kasi first of all, you're the original. That's what you need to know. And you're just doing your job, you know. So anyway, we got this card, Hera, which means harvest. Okay, I'm not sure if it's pronounced Jera or Hera, but yeah, it's mean harvest. So I think na it's not about your current negosyo sa ngayon. I feel na it's more on the future thing na magkakaroon ka. Once that you're ready, once that you let go of this old toxic business that you used to have, I feel like you will have a new beginning, which is something that will bloom. Kasi natuto ka na sa yung mistakes, okay? So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I feel na nagkaroon ka ng inspiration bigla. So, we have the 10 in reverse. So, we also have this one here in either way. So, I'm sensing na dapat mo rin iwasan, guys. So, masyado kang makinig sa yung mga haters. Kasi first of all, I feel here, kung may comment na sila ng negative sa'yo, I don't feel na they did it for, you know, for concerns. Kasi minsan, di ba, may mga comments na nakaka-help. Okay, so, huwag mong dibdibin. Okay, mag-focus ka na sa mga tao talaga na talagang supportive for you. So, you have the kind here. We also have this one. So, gusto nila sabihin na be kind to your mind or to yourself. Kasi, by you having this anxiety issue or problem, na-stress ka na sa nangyayari sa iyong buhay. We have the star in either way. We also have this Empress in either way. So, I'm sensing, guys, kung sakali man may negosyo kayo sa ngayon, it's kind of like 50-50 meant for you. 50-50 not because of the reason na may nagawa kayong mali na hindi mo dapat ulitin. Okay, it's up to you if you will keep this up. Pero gusto nila sabihin sa iyo, if you will start something new, a fresh beginning, then that will bloom. Basta you actually learned your lessons, okay? And be kind too. So, kung sakali man na meron kang tendency na mag-react badly, I think na you really need to learn how to handle your haters well. Nag-iwasan mo na lang sila or i-block mo agad. Huwag mo nang replyan agad or parang ipahiya pa kasi ikaw rin masisira nun. So, matuto ka rin sana sa pag-handle, okay? So, you have this one in either way. And we also have just you and me. So, meron ng copycat, guys. Okay? So, if you know maraming copycats is what I sense. So, I think now what you need to do here is, I feel like continuously be you. To be honest with you, at saka kung sakali man mahilig ka mag-vlogging about sa ginagawa mo, sa parang produkto and so on, might as well keep it to yourself kung ayaw mong i-copy ng iba. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I feel na maraming kaigitan, to be honest with you. Siguro yung ginagawa may something interesting. Kaya yung mga sa bahay na yan, nagkaka-idea ng business or something at kinukopya nila yung iyong negosyo. I feel this is something that you do for fun. At saka, ito talaga yung gusto mo rin gawin. So, yun ang pinakaiba nyo kasi you are somebody who's really enjoying your work compared to them na parang nangopya lang, napilitan, and so on. So anyway, tinan natin ang future ng iyong negosyo. So as I told you, this isn't something na talaga destined for you. Kaya anytime guys, it will fall apart because the reason I really have to learn how to handle your haters and mag-mature din, okay, sa mga pangyayari. So anyway, magkakaroon ka rin ng realization. And now they want you to know to take some time to heal, to be honest with you. At saka learn to let go of your haters, to be honest. At saka iwasan nyo yung masyado yung para nadidiin si hater. Kasi yun na nakakasira ng inyong reputasyon. So anyway, I feel here na iba sa inyo gusto nyo pa rin magstay dito. But yet I don't feel na I feel like it's kind of like stressful to be honest with you. Okay? And I feel like meron nga kayo nakabangga and this is somebody na nagsasalita ng mean things about you. To be honest about your work. So ito yung dahilan guys kung bakit yung ibang taon dito matangkilik na yung gawa ng iyong negosyo and so on kasi nasira yung reputasyon. Ngayon, I feel here na tinatawag ka magkaroon ng new opportunity. But yet, I have to remind you that having a new beginning, kailangan mo mag-invest ng pera onto it. I feel like you're not really happy because of the reason na kailangan mo ulit mag-start, kailangan mo ulit bumili ng ganito at ganyan. But yet, I really see here na once that you begin something new, something fresh, you know, I feel like you will attract more people that will like it. I feel like it's kind of like new people, okay, na you will attract. So, make sure na you're not making the same mistake over and over again. So, tingnan naman natin yung karma ng mga copycats at ng mga haters na nagpabagsak sa dati mong negosyo, pwede sa current negosyo mo sa ngayon, okay? Pwede rin sa future kasi basta nyo ito yung hinaharap ng yung negosyo. So, dahil sa mga taon ng aso, guys, ibig sabihin na may nakaaway ka talaga. At saka, yeah, dahil nga napaaway ka, siguro tong taon na to, inaaway ka rin. So, definitely, mangyayari sa kanilang buhay ay may mang-aaway din sa kanila. So, iba sa inyo guys, future read ito kung hindi pa siya nangyayari sa ngayon or kahit sa past, okay? So, tinan naman natin ang karma kung sino may gawa ng kalokohan sa iyong negosyo. And I'm really sensing heavy sa mata guys, okay? I'm sensing disruption, honestly speaking. At saka sa kanilang pagsishuffle lang talaga yung may tumahol na aso. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, mapapaaway sila. Kasi I think na sila yung nag-umpisa ng away with regards to you. Because I don't see, guys, sa kayo yung nag-umpisa niyan, I'm kinda like saying na ikaw yung umalis kasi nakita mo na maraming nagka-copycat, maraming haters, stress ka na, and so on. Kaya, you decided to actually leave the business, okay? So, yung kanilang karma, guys, I really have to see you still going after something that you want, okay, your passions. So, you will have definitely future. Sila naman, I feel na maiiyak kasi ito yung mangyayari, okay? Because they manifested in a wrong way, baka kasi sila yung tipong tao na nangaapak para to reach the top. Okay? So, I feel na yung mangyayari sa kanila dahil masyado silang pushy yung energy natin. Kita mo naman, masyadong pushy. Nangyayari, siniiwan sila ng mga tao. So, kung sakali man nagkalat sila ng chismis about you, lalabas ang katotohanan tungkol sa kanila nagawang pagkakamali sa inyo. Lesson that we have is this one. So, isa rin sa kanilang karma, guys, they cannot see things clearly. Okay, di nila alam ang susunod na mangyayari, kung asenso ba sila, and so on. So, they're not in a stable ground, at saka dahil nga din nila alam, may mga tao na nagbe-betray sa kanila behind the scenes. Okay? Masaklap dito, guys. Kung sino yung mga tao na connected sila, yung mga tao minamahal nila, and so on, yung pa yung nag-betray sa kanila. And with regards to love life connection, kasi I feel here na iba sa kanila, yung ginawa nila is sinisiraan ka nila, kung ano nung pinagsasabi, etc. Nakafocus sila sa inyo, so napabayaan nila yung love life. Ngayon, kung may love life man sila, mangyari is mawawala ang love life nila, mawawala yung mga connections nila, at ganun din ang pera kasi wala na silang inatupag kundi mag-destroy ng iyong career, okay? I feel na naiyak ka kasi ang tindi talaga ng ginawa nila sa inyo. So, natamaan sila sa career, guys. At saka kung sakali magkakaroon sila ng work, it's not something that they're passionate about. So, as I told you, lalabas ang katotohanan. May magsasalita against them. At dahil doon, kaya, na-destroy din yung kanilang reputasyon. So, anyway, kasi I feel na yun yung ginawa nila sa inyo. Sinira nila yung iyong negosyo, reputasyon, nagkalatang kung ano ng chismis, and so on. So, sila rin sira ang buhay dahil sa chismis, okay? So, anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. So, hugs to every one of you. Alam kong hindi maganda yung hinaharap na yung negosyo, but I just hope na if you begin one day, guys, again, sa pagnenegosyo, I just hope you learned your lessons at hindi na to maulit pa. Okay? So that's it, guys, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Kenneth's card, ito niya reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang hinaharap ng inyong negosyo. I really feel na mahirap yung pagdadaanan, pero sa umpisa lang yung kahirapan, guys. Sa uli, nandun yung grasya ng Diyos. Actually, habang nagsishuffle ako ng cards, na sense ko sumasakit yung aking left hand, ibig sabihin lang nun, may tao na parang may negative emotions towards you. I'm sensing that you're reaching out towards your goals and your dreams. I really feel kung sino man yung may negative emotion na yan, it's kinda like your hater, honestly speaking. I feel na it has nothing to do with kung ano yung ginawa mo, okay, to be honest with you. Parang lang sila nag-hate, parang siguro may crab mentality issue, kaya ganon, okay? So, anyway, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Okay, nasense ko yung kanta na if there's one more gift I ask of you, Lord, it will be peace here on earth. So, ito yung siguro yung gustong mangyari na magkaroon sana ng peace. Maybe you're kinda like aware about your haters, betrayals, and so on. And you're just really tired about it, you know? Or you're losing faith with regards to your business, okay? So, kaya siguro kayo nandito ngayon kasi gusto mo malaman kung maapektuhan ba yung negosyo dahil sa mga haters mo or mga tao may crab mentality attitude. I feel like you are lucky, to be honest with you, to have a business despite of the bad environment. Okay, so, tingnan mo lang kung may hope. If may iba sa inyo nagtanong tungkol sa channel ninyo, to be honest with you, anyway. I feel na kung sino man yung hater mo guys, wala silang matinong trabaho and that's a reason why maybe they're jealous about your business or career, alright? So anyway, gusto nila sabihin sa'yo good news is that marami naikinig sa inyo kung sakaling influencer ka or pwede may negosyo, maraming interesado sa ginagawa mo and you're going to reach your goals and your dreams. As I told you, meron kang hater at si hater na yan, actually, na-insecure o kaya naiinggit kasi ito yung hinaharap ng inyong negosyo. So this person could be trying to manipulate everyone not to actually buy products from you or pwede wag kang tangkilikin. Pero I'm sensing na iba kasi yung vibe mo. Maganda yung vibe mo compared dun sa tao na nagde-destroy sa inyo. So anyway, ito yung worry mo, diba, na siguro nangyari na to before na you could be someone who let go of something dahil sa mga haters mo. Pero gusto nilang sabihin sa inyo na wag mong i-give up. Kasi I feel na naiyak ka kasi napagdaanan mo na to eh. I feel na iba sa inyo may kinalaman sa number 1. Baka yun yung past mo na nangyari. And you could have tried something new, to be honest with you. At saka yun nga, ayaw mo maulit nung past. To be honest. So, tingnan natin yung hinaharap, okay? So far naman guys, so hinaharap naman ng iyong negosyo is pinoprotektahan ka ng Panginoon against these haters that you will have. And they want you to know na iwasan mo tong energy na you are actually listening to your haters because I'm sensing yung gusto nila mangyari is maalis ka sa ginagawa mo. But yet, they want you to know yung hinaharap ng inyong negosyo is actually aangat yan. At saka dahil sa pag-angat yan, si hater mo ay lalong nagiging depressed, okay? So maganda actually yung nangyayari sa future. At saka ito si hater mo, hindi siya tumigil sa pagtatry na i-betray ka o kaya i-disrupt yung mga tao to be against you. Parang patuloy nila tong ginagawa as you can see to create kinda like this illusion na everyone is against you. So suggestion ko lang sa inyo guys, kung may ganito sa negosyo mo, sa following ko ano man yan, agad mong i-block si hater mo kasi I'm really sensing here na nag-encourage siya ng mga tao na i-hate ka. Kasi ito nga naiinis siya, ito yung gusto niya mangyari, na umalis ka sa ginagawa mo. But yet, I feel like God is calling you on to work, and work. Why? Kasi no matter what this person do, you know, aangat ka guys. As you can see with this one, I'm sensing na wala silang maipakitang papeles or any proof na magpapatunay sa kanilang mga chismis about you. And I'm really sense na kaya mas nainis sila kasi walang nakikinig sa kanila. Kasi siguro based na rin sa observation ng mga tao, hindi naman ikaw yung klaseng tao na masama. Okay? Anyway, let's see what we have here. So we have the safe. We also got the joke in either way, so I feel like the joke is on them, to be honest with you. So you have to heal here, so take some time na mag-heal. Kung sakali man yung mga haters mo naglalagay ng negative comments, kasi I really sense na hindi maganda yung mga sinasabi niya sa inyo. And God wants you to know na He cares for you, at saka hindi naman pulos hater yung nandun sa yung negosyo. May mga tao talaga na nagkakagusto ng iyong gawa ng iyong negosyo or kung ano man yan. So, kaya patuloy na kumikita ka sa iyong gawain. Kasi yung hater mo, ito yung gusto niya mangyari na i-ending mo yung ginagawa mo. So, we also have this one here, but it's in either way. So, yun nga, gusto ka nilang patigilin. Kasi gusto nila maging kagaya mo sila na in this way of stagnancy. I don't know why, kung anong problema nila guys, pero hindi ko talaga nasa-sense dito na may nagawa kang mali. Okay? Parang inggit yung nangyari dito eh. Kasi hindi ko nakikita na may work sila. Hindi ko rin nakikita na may negosyo sila. Parang, ano ba eh, parang nakastuck lang sila sa buhay, sa bahay, mga ganun ba, at walang ginagawa. Kundi nag-hate, nagkakalat ng chismis. So you don't have to worry kasi guys, lalabas ang katotohanan. So, we have this one here. So, dinidistort nila yung mind sa mga tao. So, we got thinking of you here. So, I'm saying sa umpisa ay mamalasin ka because of the reason that you're spreading lies and rumors about you. But I think somebody will rescue you with a safe being here. At saka, yun nga, may lalabas sa katotohanan. But I don't feel na ikaw yung magpa-broadcast ng katotohanan. I feel na it's more likely another person who will definitely save you from the joke that others has put onto you. So anyway, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron. So I really feel na ayaw mo i-give up kung ano man yung nasimulan mo kasi I really feel like you receive a lot of blessings from that. Actually, habang nagsishuffle ako, sumakit na yung right hand ko. Ibig sabihin nun, meron ka ng negative emotions dahil sa ginawa sa'yo ng mga haters mo. Kung gusto mo agad ang karma reading, so you will tackle onto it later. After this, tignan natin kung ano pa yung hinaharap, okay? So, definitely push forward in life is what I sense, okay? Huwag kang pauto sa haters, agad mong i-block si hater. So, anyway, ito yung actually parang karma yung energy, okay? So, anyway, no matter what they do, the good news about sa hinaharap ng yung negosyo is that magkakaroon ka ng ganito. Really forgive about that noise, okay? So, anyway, guys, yung good news about dun sa yung negosyo na magkakaroon ka ng stability, to be honest with you. At I feel na with regards to this one, so hindi ka maapektuhan kung ano ginagawa nila sa inyo behind the scenes. So, remind yourself na ito yung gusto nila mangyari na matanggal ka sa iyong ginagawa. Kaya nakakalat sila ng mga chismis about you. But yet, they want you to know na kahit may mga chismis pa, there's really some people that really admire your work, to be honest with you. Kaya wag kang huminto. Okay? So, I think yung hinaharap mo, guys, nasa dalawa yung patutunguhan. Either mag-give up ka sa ginagawa mo. Kung mag-give up ka, syempre hindi ka maging successful sa yung ginagawa. Okay, so kaya wag kang paapekto sa ginagawa nila kasi mawalan ka ng future about your current na business. So kung sakali man guys that you continuously do whatever that you're doing, then definitely you will have this granted na maging okay yung iyong negosyo. Anyway, guys, so really forgive about the noises. Ang daming ingay. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, maraming disruption sa iyong negosyo. Yung nga may mga nagtatahulan pang aso. So, I feel na wag kayo mag-alala about sa inyong haters. Kasi whether they like it or not, lalabas ang katotohanan na wala ka namang ginagawang masama. Ginagawa mo lang talaga yung iyong negosyo or yung iyong trabaho. Okay, at yung hater mo wala lang magawa kaya naglabas ang chismis and so on. Kasi siguro nakita niya nag-grow yung negosyo mo or pwede nag-grow yung iyong following. Ngayon, tinan naman natin ang karma ng inyong hater. Another dimension to me, I feel a new beginning, to be honest with you, an anxiety issue or problem. With regards sa work at sa money. Okay, so I really feel here, kung yung hater mo kinokopya ka, wala silang patutunguhan sa kanilang ginagawa. At I feel na sinisiraan kanila kasi nawawalan sila ng loob about sa nangyayari sa kanilang buhay. Puno ng kamalasan. Kaya nakita mo yung sarili mo na laging ganito yung energy nila. Okay, kasi ito yung gusto nila na maging energy mo. So, kaya binili nila sa inyo guys na wag mong didibdibin ang mga ginagawa nila. Nag-focus ka lang sa work. So, yung karma nila ay may tao sa kanilang buhay na controlling, manipulative yung energy. Ang karma nila, may kita ka nila na patuloy na ginagawa yung trabaho mo, kumikita ka, minamahal ka ng mga tao, at I feel here na walang tiwala sa kanila yung mga tao kasi first of all, lumabas yung katotohanan na tinatry ka nilang saktan para mawala yung career or yung blessings mo. Isa sa kanilang karma, guys, ay kung meron man silang negosyo, hindi, or business, career, kung ano man yan, pwede rin love life, ay hindi ito para sa kanila, hindi fated. Kaya in anytime na mawawala yan kung ano yung interesado sila. So, hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos sa kanilang energy. Ibig sabihin din nun, guys, is binablock ng langit yung kanilang voice kasi they're using their voice in a wrong way. Okay, para siraan ka. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, guys, ay mapapaaway sila as you can see here. At yun ang mangyayari na I feel na kaya sila mapapaaway kasi I will say na may mga taong malalaman yung katotohanan as you can see here. At I feel na matutuwa ka about it. To be honest, yung karma naman nila, guys, as you can see here. So, kung sakali man may negosyo rin sila, may following kung ano man, hindi siya titingnan na maganda ng mga tao because of this bad reputation that he or she has. Kasi I feel na yung main issue here is that siniraan ka niya, may nagawa siyang mali sa inyo, copycat and so on. So, dahil sa sirang reputasyon na yan, mag-iiba yung tingin ng mga tao at siya ay magkakaroon ng endings with regards sa career. Yung karma rin niya, guys, this person has to see you loved by others. Siya naman yung magkakaroon ng haters as you can see here. At saka pagsisihan niya na naglabas siya ng mga chismis against you kasi dahil doon kaya siya iniiwasan ng mga tao. Okay, so yun nga, pipilitan siya mag-let go kung ano yung trabaho niya or kung ano man yung meron siya kasi sira yung kanyang pangalan at titingalain ka ng mga tao, nirespetuhin kasi ikaw yung tao na walang ginawang masama, ginagawa mo lang yung trabaho mo. Kasi sa kanilang karma, guys, you know, kung sakali man may ginawa sila sa inyo, may balik yan sa kanila. Okay, so I really sense heavy, strong na may block sa kanilang throat dito sa energy. So, yun yung mangyayari na blocked yung kanilang pagsasalita. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, guys, ay maguguluhan sila sa buhay at walang opportunity because of the reason na sira yung reputasyon nila. Okay, at kilala sila na ahas, chismosa at kung ano pa. Yung karma rin nila, guys, ay magkakaroon nga sila na issue sa pera at hindi ka nila madi-disrupt. You will remain in this way na you will be at peace on what you're doing. Sila naman nagkakaroon ng maraming issues, problema sa trabaho, problema sa people around. Okay? At iba yung tingin sa kanila, sinungaling. Okay? Yun yung karma nila. So, anyway, I'm sensing some of you, this could be a judgmental friend. So, I feel like you have to make sure na tingnan mo yung red flags. Kasi baka isa sa friend mo yung gumagawa netong kalokohan behind the scenes. Okay? So, anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Dagas card dito in your reading, he asked me to cleanse first. I'll just go ahead and cleanse. So, tingnan natin kung saan patungo yung inyong negosyo. So, first sa startan yung reading, talagang sinusundan ng tahol ng aso, okay? So, baka may nangyaring mga away at hindi magandang pangyayari. Baka doon patungo. I feel like it's kind of like more likely karma reading, to be honest with you. I feel like you tend to blame others, okay? At na-sense ko rin miss opportunities or even customers or clients. I feel na nasira yung pangalan mo. So, guys, okay? Please avoid doing doing bad in your business, guys. Kasi makaka-apekto talaga yan sa reputasyon. So, maybe that's why you're here. You're wondering kung may okay pa ba yung negosyo. Kahit nasira yung reputasyon, nagawa mo na't ganyan. Pwede na natin, okay? I think na marami ka nasayang na biyaya, to be honest with you. Okay, pero yung negosyo mo papunta sa taas. Again, yung gusto nila ipaalam sa inyo. But yet, break the cycle, guys. Huwag niyong paabutin sa ulo ninyo yung inyong success. Kasi kapag ginawa niyo yun, baka masobran kayo ng pride at ma-aksidente nyo na hindi tatuloy na maayos yung kliyente. Okay? Remember na yung mga client mo, dyan mo nakukuha yung iyong pera. Dahil kung wala sila, wala kang kita, diba? So, yun ang dapat mong isipin. So, for naman kung yung negosyo mo, pinagkaloob yan sa inyo ng Diyos. Pero yun nga yung iwasan nyo, magkaroon kayo ng ganitong pride. Okay, huwag niyong padaanin sa ulo ninyo yung inyong success. Because definitely, you will have that success with regards sa negosyo. Ngayon, wow, this is nice, okay? Asensado si negosyo. To be honest, at yung basahin nyo, makakakuha ng bahay, investments, and so on, okay? Maganda yung nangyayari sa inyong buhay. Ganon din sa love life, okay? Congratulations to every one of you. Yan nga lang, wag mo ngang pairalin si pride kasi makaka-apekto yan sa iyong reputasyon. Kasi baka nangyari dito, baka masyado mo nadiin yung tao. Okay, I feel na may naiyak sa ginawa mo. So, I'm sensing na iwasan mo to. Kasi yun yung makakasira, yung pride, okay? They want you to actually realize din yung iyong mission work mo sa mundo. Kasi I'm sensing na may dahilan ng Diyos kung ba't kanya binigyan ng yaman. I think na yung actually dapat mong gawin is tumulong sa mahihirap. To be honest with you, or someone na needy. So, anyway, avoid being greedy daw, sabi nila. So, ito nga yung nangyari, okay? Huwag tumaas si pride. Kasi baka yung nangyari dito, dahil nga, ang tumaas ang pride ninyo, kuwari may kliyente na nagreklamo na hindi okay yung product, susuli niya, at nagsasabi siya ng totoo. Yung malungkot is, may tendency kayong hindi makinig. May tendency kayong isipin na kung sino yung taong ito, you know, nagsisinungaling and so on. And they want to remind you na hindi lahat ng kliyente ay ganito, nagsisinungaling. At saka baka ito yung dahilan kung ba't makasira yung inyong reputasyon. So they want you to learn how to be loving towards your customers and clients, okay? Kasi, I'm sensing here na dapat mo rin ma-realize so nagsimula ka rin sa wala. Okay, huwag mo malitin si kliyente. So, you have the voice being here. Kasi guys, kung may mali ka nagawa, may tendency kasi na baka may magkalat ng ginawa mong kamalian sa isa lang na kliyente na nagawa mo ng masama. So, we got that Dagas card here. So, I'm sensing na yun nga, yung business mo ay lalago yan, to be honest with you, that may calling ka sa mundo na you have to actually share your blessings. At saka gusto rin nilang ipalam sa inyo na wag na sana tumaas yung pride at sana ma-realize mo rin na yung biyaya ay galing sa Panginoon. At saka you need to learn how to be loving towards your customers or clients. At saka dapat makinig ka sa kanilang concerns. Ngayon, tinan natin kung ano pang meron. So, kaya siguro may tahon na aso, guys, kasi meron ka ng mga haters mo or pwede may nakalat na chismis dahil sa mga nagawa mo talaga, to be honest. So, that's why hinahabol ka rin ng kamalasan with regards sa negosyo. Remember guys, hindi talaga maganda yung pagiging prideful kasi yung bad karma niyan is that you will become humbled by the divine. Okay, yun yung hindi magandang karma. Kasi tatamaan ka niyan with regards sa career or pwede rin sa inyong pera. Kaya ka hinahabol ng kamalasan at dahil doon hindi ka magkakaroon ng easy life. Okay? At saka may tendency ka rin sigurong tumawa sa mga taong walang-wala, walang negosyo kagaya mo. Wag ganito yung energy mo. Kasi first of all, you're called on to help the needy. Okay? Paano ka mag-help ng needy kung yung energy mo is sinatawanan mo yung mga taong may problema? So, iwasan mong gawin to. Kasi someday, hindi maganda yung karma mo na baka mawala tong negosyo mo. See, so we have this one in easier way. We also have the last in easier way. So may tendency mawala si negosyo if you're not a loving person. So remember to be kind. So ika the time machine at saka baka pagsisihan mo na may nagawa kang mali before. Okay? Kasi baka makalat ang chismis about you. So yun yung dahilan ang iyong downfall. So anyway, tinan natin ang future ng inyong negosyo kung ano pang meron. So magkaroon ka daw ng magandang pag-uugali, lalo na sa mga tao sa inyong paligid, at saka isipin mo rin na nagsimula ka rin sa wala. Tsaka sana wag mong pagtawanan yung mga tao na may pinagdaraanan. I feel na problema sa bangko, to be honest with you, or scammed. I feel na nakakarama ka na. So, siguro nagkakaroon ka na realization by this reading. So, next time around, please don't do these kind of things, okay? Another dimension, give yan sa'yo ng Panginoon. Pero, yun nga, kung hindi ka nagiging maayos na tao at saka itong gift naging dahilan na tumaas yung ulo mo, manakit ng damdamin ng ibang tao, definitely baka mawala tong negosyo, okay? So yun nga, iwasan mo mapaaway, guys. At saka yun nga, I feel na naiyak ka kasi siguro dati ang ganda ng negosyo. Tapos yung nangyayari is, maraming nawala ng gana sa yung negosyo. So, nag-aantay ka ng kliyente sa future kasi passion mo tong negosyo. Pero yun nga, dahil nga sa hindi ka nakikita ng mga taong mabuti, kaya nangyari dito isaganap sila ng ibang pagkukuhanan ng produkto sa ibang tao. Ay, lesson learn mo dito, guys, dapat maging mabuti kayong tao at saka iwasan mo yung away, iwasan mo rin na tratuin ng di maayos yung iyong mga kliyente. Isa rin na karma na parating din sa inyo is makakatagpo ka ng mga tao na salbahe. Okay, mga hindi magandang mga kliyente dahil doon di ka magiging at peace. Okay, so iba sa inyo may tendency mawala yung negosyo kasi sira yung inyong reputasyon. At saka baka umulit ka uli sa umpisa. So, wala nag-betray sa'yo. Yung nag-betray is yung sarili mo kung may nagawa kang mali. Okay? So far naman, may mission ka nga sa mundong ito. So, dapat mo rin gampanan yung mission mo kasi kung di mo gagampanan yan, baka yan din yung tendency na mawala ng future yung iyong negosyo. Kung di mo ginampanan yung mission. Kasi I'm sensing here, guys, that you're really standing in your power. Tsaka, maganda rin kasi yung charisma mo or yung dating mo kasi nga meron kang pera, iba yung tingin ng mga tao sa inyo, nire-respeto ka. Pero yun nga lang, kung masama yung ginawa mo, syempre makaka-apekto yan sa iyong magandang reputasyon at negosyo. So sana, iwasan nyo na magtrato ng di mabuti sa kapwa ninyo, lalo na sa mga kliyente, okay? Next time around in this loving energy, be kind to everyone. And anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. And God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Jebo card, ito yung reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang future ng inyong negosyo. So, actually guys, na-sense ko yung kalungkutan na energy. Kasi gustong-gusto mo talaga tong gawin, pero there's something that's really holding you back. I'm feeling here, with regards sa yung tanong, yung iba sa inyo guys, parang nagsisimula pa lang or wala pa nangyari, parang baguhan pa lang sa negosyo. Okay, anyway, parang gusto mo lang talaga i-check kung ano mangyayari kasi nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. So, gusto nilang i-cleanse muna. I really feel here na marami nag-betray sa inyo before. Kaya natatakot siguro kayo magsimula muli. Kaya pala na-sense ko yung lonely vibe ninyo. Na you really want to do something, pero yun nga, maraming ahas. So, pasensya na sa ingay. May nagpupukpuk kasi, okay? So, anyway, tingnan natin kung saan patungo yung inyong negosyo. So far naman, ito yung malungkot, okay? Meron nga kayong alam na gustong gawing negosyo, pero natatakot kayo. Ito yung anxiety na meron ka. Dahil you're aware that there could be somebody na gumagawa na masama sa inyo or hadlang sa gusto mong gawin, okay? I feel na kasi nangyari na to before. Okay? At saka sa ngayon, bagong buhay ka na guys. So, ito yung dapat mong isipin na pinagkalooban ka ng Diyos ng download or ng kung ano man na nasa isipan mo kasi galing yan sa Panginoon to give you hope na magsimula muli. Kasi yung future na yung nasa isipan na negosyo is definitely na magli-lead sa inyo ng mga tamang tao sa inyong buhay. Kaya, yun nga, kailangan nyo talaga mag-break free sa mga maling tao. So, anyway, ito yung nangyayari nga na natatakot ka sa something na illusion lang ng iyong isipan. So, iwasan mo mag-isip ng negative about sa iyong negosyo. And know na mapupunta naman sa maayos yung iyong negosyo, to be honest with you. And you really have to have that confidence to push forward in your life and of course, hope. Okay, masyado mag-focus sa inyong haters. So, they want you to push forward towards it. Yung baka sa inyo tinamad na dahil nga sa mga nangyari noong past, okay? So, I'm sensing na itong negosyo na meron ka, magle-lead sa'yo na makilala mo yung mga tao na mabubuti. Sorry about the noise, guys. Kung may napagdaanan ka man noon, ibig sabihin lang noon, may dapat ka matutunan sa napagdaanan mo. Okay? I feel na yung energies that past is now behind you. So, focus on what you have in mind. Kasi regalo yan sa inyo ng Panginoon. And definitely, it will have fruits. As you can see here, lalago yan. Kung ano man yung nasa isipan mong negosyo or kung ano man tong ginagawa mong negosyo. Okay? At saka makakatagpo ka talaga ng I feel na soul tribes mo. So, we got the best of friends in reverse. So, siguro ito yung nangyari na kahit sarili mong kaibigan, benetray ka kung ano ng mga nangyari. So, you have to reach in either way. We also have this one. So, to be honest with you, okay, kung ipupush mo itong negosyo, guys, actually, it's one of your blessings from heaven. Kasi yan ay iyong good karma. To be honest, because of the reason that you are an upright person. At saka you are definitely giving to others. So, dahil doon, kaya, lalago yung negosyo mo kasi may mission ka siguro na magbigay ka sa mahihirap or nangangailangan. So, you have the creativity in either way. We have an easy here. So, I'm sensing, guys, yung negosyo na magkakaroon ka is something na easy. Okay, so I also have this one here. So take it easy is what I sense, to be honest with you. I really feel na lalago tong negosyo. To be honest with you, we have the camera in either way and we have to hide. So yung dapat mong gawin guys para makaiwas ka sa mga nangyari noong past is iwasan mo magsabi sa mga kakilala mo as of now about your business. Kasi yan siguro yung failure na nagawa mo. Baka na-aksidenta mong sabihin sa mga ahas, sa mga tao na, nagbe-betray, may crab mentality issue. So, this time around, yung gusto nilang sabihin is iwasan mong mag-brag posting. Masanay ka maging introvert para maiwasan yung negativity nangyari noong past. And let's see what else do we have here. I feel a miracle will happen in your life, to be honest with you. I'm really sensing here that you're going towards your childhood dreams. I feel like you will be popular and rich one day with regards to this endeavor that you do have in mind. So, pasensya na guys sa reading kasi nasense ko talaga yung iba dito sa reading na to ay nagsisimula pa lang sa negosyo or naisip pa lang nila at hindi pa nila na-push. Yung, I feel na konti lang sa inyo is na-push nyo na yung negosyo at nandito lang kayo to identify kung ano yung iyong kahitat na ng iyong negosyo. So far naman guys, ito talaga yung hilig mong gawin. Huwag lang kayong mag-hold back sa negativity of the past. As you can see here, past is now behind you. I feel na yung lesson learned lang dito is to be introvert next time. Okay, yun yung dapat yung baguhin. So far, magiging okay si business, okay? Actually, magiging famous, as you can see kung ano yung produkto mo. At saka dahil doon, magkakaroon ka ng fortune at ng pera. At saka wag yun lang maldasin sa hindi wasto, to be honest with you. At saka, yun nga, umiwas kayo sa clouded mind and thoughts. Okay, anyway, let's see what else. Saka matuto kayo mag-save ng pera, guys. At saka, remind yourself to give to the poor or the needy. Kasi baka yun ang calling mo, kaya gagawin ng Panginoon na fruitful ang iyong negosyo. Ngayon, tinan naman natin ang karma ng mga tao na gumawa sa'yo ng masama dati. Or nag-betray is what I sense. Another dimension. I feel that they will have missed opportunities. And I feel that these people think that they are smarter than you are. I'm sensing na mataas talaga yung kanilang pride at saka arrogance. So far naman maganda yung energy mo guys kasi hindi ko talaga na-sense na mayabang ka. Okay. Anyway, let's see what we have here. So, I feel like you're really destined to be popular, guys. So, yung kanilang karma, guys, makikita kanilang ganito. Okay? Magiging successful ka sa iyong buhay, sa iyong negosyo. At di lang yun, marami kang kliyente. At ito yung tendency na dahil sa nakikita kanilang ganito, nagkakaroon sila ng stress, anxiety, kasi may crab issue sila, diba? Crab mentality. Ayaw nila nakikita umaangat yung iba. So, sila ay malulungkot kasi nakikita kanila na walang issue sa pera. Siguro before meron kang issue, but let me remind you, mawawala yung issue na yan. So, anyway, kung may nagawa man silang mali sa inyo guys, lalabas ang katotohanan about it. At dahil dito sa nagawa nilang pagkakamali sa inyo, maraming tao ang mag-hate sa kanila. See, no matter what they do, lalabas ang katotohanan. I feel na lalabas din yung kanilang baho. Okay, so, anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you.